Your product ships tomorrow. The launch video is still 3 weeks out, $4,000 in, and stuck in revision 7. Meanwhile, the demo that actually sold your last round was a messy screen recording nobody outside the team will ever see. That gap between the raw recording on your desktop and the polished Vercel-grade launch film in your head is where most SaaS launches quietly lose momentum. Ngram closes it. Drop in what you already have: a screen recording of the product, your landing page URL, a changelog, a PDF, a few screenshots. Ngram reads the source, understands the audience and the goal you describe, and returns a full script, storyboard, and narrative structure before a single frame is rendered. You review the plan in plain language. Shorten scene 2, sharpen the hook. Lead with the dashboard, not the login. No restarts, no rebuilds, just the story you actually want to tell. Then the polish happens on its own. Dead air and fumbled clicks are cut automatically. The camera zooms into the metric that matters. The cursor is emphasized on every interaction. Callouts and step labels land on the exact buttons you want the viewer to notice, framed inside a branded background, with crisp captions burned in by default. Where the raw footage runs out, Ngram fills the gaps with generated visuals and motion graphics that match the scene. Transitions, lower thirds, emphasis text, intro, outro. All on brand because you set your logo, colors, and fonts once, and every project inherits them. One project, every format. Export a 16:9 hero video for your launch page. A 9:16 vertical cut for LinkedIn, TikTok, and Shorts. A 1:1 square for the feed. A launch deck built from the same story beats, ready for product hunt, sales, and investor updates. This is how product marketers, founders, and PMs at teams like HubSpot, Zapier, Deel, and Rocket Mortgage are shipping launches, feature announcements, and demo follow-ups in an afternoon instead of a sprint. No timeline, no editor, no agency queue. Just the recording you already made, the URL you already have, and the story your product deserves. Start your launch video now at ngram.com and use your free credits to ship it today.